Hey, hello, Hitesh here from Robotherapy. It's been a very long time, I realize. Today I'm going to home electronics where I started my robotics journey and I'm taking a few robots that I have to deliver there. Also, I'll just give you a few updates after I come back home. This is just me starting my day. Bye bye. Hey, we're here. Hey, so well, basically that's where I started, and there have been so many things that have happened in my life so far. But the main aspect of this video is for me to be able to teach you robotics from scratch to a level where you can actually build robots that are scalable and industry ready. So, in this 2 to 3 years of experience that I have, I realized that. There are a lot of problems when it comes to communication between roboticists and company owners. So I'll try to cover as many topics as possible. But first, this is my plan for now for about 6 months. I'll just teach everyone the basics to somewhat being able to handle a few industrial applications with ROS and ROS 2. So my goal is to teach you how to make legged robots, but first I'll have to build a few foundational concepts. So I'll work with what do you say, simple AMRs maybe, and then we'll build on top. I'd like to give a huge shout out to Josh Newins and Automatic Addison because during my journey, these two people were like the only sources out there who helped me out so well. And I think that by trying to create something on the same lines on how they taught me would be perfect for everyone back here as well. So fingers crossed. Let's hope that I'm able to create a pathway where you can learn how to create your own ROS2 based robots or and make them do whatever task you want them to do. So keep an eye out for the videos that I might be posting in about say 7 to 14 days, and I hope I'm consistent and I really try to get you from zero to some kind of autonomy level. So see you around. Bye bye.